So I'm over here once again to help Barry out a little bit more on his hoarder house project. He's actually made quite a bit of improvement.
Here we go.
Yeah. Wow. Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I'm over here once again helping Barry with his hoarder house renovation project. And it's been a couple weeks since I've been here, and he's really made a lot of progress. I'm very impressed. He's getting close. Notice all of this woodwork here, all of the moldings. He did all of that by hand, by himself on his table saw and his routers. All of this bare wood, he made that all himself to fit, you know, this unusual situation here. Even to the point of having to, here's a little piece he had to fill in and match it. Once he gets all that caulked and painted, it's gonna actually look like it was supposed to be that way. Putty in holes?
Yeah, I'm doing wood filler.
Wood filler, okay.
It's nice, smelly, epoxy-based stuff. Smells like Bondo and get you high if you stay close to it too long.
Right.
The good stuff.
Yep. So today I'm going to be installing all the smoke detectors in the house. He's already got all the wires run. I just need to put in the box and the smoke detector. I think there are 8 of them. And as you can see here, they're hardwired, they're not battery powered. Though I think they have a battery backup. And there are 8 of them. Did I say that? I think there's 8 of them. And 2 of them will be smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. This is in the 2nd floor, the top of the hallway in the 2nd floor. And then the one in the basement will be carbon monoxide, and the rest are just smoke detectors. So I finished wiring all the smoke detectors in the house. There's 8 of them. They're all wired together, so if one goes off, they all go off.
You know how to eat an elephant? One bite at a time.
This is the original tub from when?
1923.
1923, and you're refinishing it. Very cool.
I can only assume that this is the only place it's lived. I don't know. I don't have any way of knowing that. But if it is, it's been in this house a long time, so I thought I'd just leave it in the house. So
Yeah.
got the outside completely cleaned off. I'm getting the last bits of the inside. Then I'm gonna do a good quality paint, regular paint on the outside, metal paint, and then the inside I'm probably gonna have to re-enamel. I was hoping I wouldn't have to, but there's too many little micro cracks and too many little flaws, so I'm just gonna redo the whole thing. One little tiny bit at a time.
A lot of work, but it's going to be beautiful when it's done.
Yeah, hopefully. Theoretically, permanently.
What if we lifted up the feet and like put some tape on the little pucks? That way wherever the feet went, the puck would be under it in the right spot. Okay. So
Seems to me just lifting the tub, put those under there, it'd be no big deal.
Kind of don't want to just let, well, I guess if it doesn't have a body in it, it's probably not a big deal. I don't think this is heavy enough by itself.
Oh,
so damage the floor.
you don't want to damage the floor before I get you. But just putting it there and then lifting it to put them underneath would be no big deal. But I understand what you're saying.
So
I don't think it's heavy enough without a body,
Body
and
in
a
it?
bunch of water in it.
just scratch up the floor.
Well, not to scratch. I'm just worried about it sinking in
Okay.
and buckling it. That's what the pucks are for.
Okay.
How's your back?
I'll just have to be careful.
All right, well, you two get that in.
Which way is it going?
This is the
Okay.
way. So if you two can lift that. Alright. So Molly, push the plastic out from under the 2 feet in the back. Alright, 73 inches to the wall. It's over here. So can you just have to step up and over.
This is awkward.
Didn't know you were valid at answer.
Me neither.
That's 2.5. 3. Just 3 1/4. Okay. 7. All right, Holly, I'm gonna lift up. Can you slide your hand under and get it?
Just slide the puck
Slide
underneath
under
the,
the back side.
under the backside. Okay. And go. Alright. Looks good. I think.
Ah, yes. It's not wobbly. I was a little bit concerned that the cast pieces wouldn't be exactly right.
Oh. So they wouldn't be level just because they're beat up and junk.
It works.
So it's now about a month later since I was here last working on these smoke detectors and stuff. Look at this. The last time I showed you this, all of this wood was bare wood where he had custom made all of these moldings all the way around here. Remember that was all bare wood. Still got to paint this, but you can see how much better it looks now. All of that's been finished and painted.
Yep. And the risers are painted, but they're still going to be taking care of the step themselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all I know.
Keep them the resort, I don't know.
I love what it does on those beautiful ceiling tiles.
So Barry and Molly have both been working long, hard hours to get this thing done. We're coming up on Christmas and they really want to get it done before Christmas, as Barry has plans. He's going to be out of town for a little while and he wants to get it done before Christmas. So the work just long, hard hours to get it done. Remember the tub they were working on? We got it set now and got the bathroom all done. Got the tub refinished. Came out looking really nice. He just put the faucets in there today. He's got water in there now. It's got the same floor as they got in the kitchen. Of course, everything still needs to be cleaned up, obviously. It's been frantic. Oh, look at that. This is a very large, nice room. This will be the kitchen dining area. And they got another room over there to put another kitchen table if they want. So what do you think?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
I don't know where he gets all the energy and the ability.
No, well, yeah.
Really,
He's been working on this thing for almost 3 years.
3?
Yeah. Because he's been doing all the work himself.
Yeah.
You know, very rarely does he ever hire any subcontractor to help him. He's been doing it all himself.
Yeah. Well, he did a magnificent job.
Yeah. It was going to be the best house in the community when it's done.
Yeah.
And when he bought it, it was a mess. Should have been torn down, but he saw the potential. So.
Well, it makes me proud to be a grandpa.
Yeah.
He did a wonderful job.
Yeah.
Jealous. I mean, I knew I would, but this is great. It's going to be very accessible to put beautiful stuff there.
The size of that window over the sink.
It's wonderful. Man, yeah.
Or Daniel Boone.
What was
Yeah.
that? What did you say, Dad?
George Washington slept here.
They tell me put a sign out front.
Put a sign out front. Okay. Think it would sell better if we put a sign like that? Think it would sell better if we put a sign like that?
I'm not sure about that.
Well, Molly would say maybe about George Washington, Daniel Boone.
Daniel Boone.
Yeah.
So he's got the floor down in the kitchen now, covered with cardboard to try to protect it a little bit. And the kitchen is basically finished except for the countertop. That's a special order that we're waiting on. It's supposed to be there probably today or tomorrow. Then he can get the kitchen finished up. And then you go from the kitchen back here into the master bedroom, which is a very good sized room. And then I don't know if you remember, but this whole section here, from here out, used to be a covered porch with screen windows all the way around, and he closed the entire thing in. And this is the master bathroom. And then over here is a nice size walk-in closet. And this whole back part here is finished. He still has to refinish the hardwood floors. I don't know how long they've been here, but it's quite a long time. So he's just going to refinish them because they're in good shape.
Look, it's got a really nice closet now. Like nice with bifolds on it.
Yeah, we built that in because there were no closets in any of these rooms like the typical old bedrooms.
Yeah. Oh, I think the potential for this room is incredible. Beautiful big windows.
Yeah, this is one of the front bedrooms
Yeah.
on the first floor.
Yeah.
These big, huge windows.
So there's the master bedroom suite, you know, behind the kitchen, and then there's this one here. Wow.
So there's the progress that's being made, and as you see, it's looking pretty good. If you're new to our channel and you don't know what this is all about, he actually bought this house almost 3 years ago, and he's been doing all the work on his own, you know, after he finished his other job to get it renovated. He calls it the Hoarder house because it was owned by a hoarder And when he bought it, it was like shoulder deep in trash in every single room. It was really nasty. Anyway, I do a video update on this house once every couple months. He has a channel called Empty Hammock, where he does basically a weekly update. So if you'd like to see the progress that he's made since the beginning, you can subscribe to his channel, Empty Hammock, or you can watch my playlist for the videos that we've done. And I guess I'll be doing probably just one more once he gets everything completely finished. I just wanted you to see the incredible progress that he's made. So thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying this. You be blessed. Live simple, live free. This thing was trashed beyond belief. And he's had it for a month now. He's already been working on it for a month. And I'll show you in the inside, and you're not going to believe it. But when so many people would just run from something like this, like I said, this is an absolute gold mine if you have the ability to do the renovation.